Ndị ọma njem ọnụ ebukwa na mbata n'ụbọchị nketa biko ebe onye nọ na-anụ ụlọ masị m udo dịrị gị ndụ nwoke ndụ nwaanyị ndụ azụ ndụ mmiri biko na asị m afịa na anụ Igbo ji eme ọnụ ihe ọma ya emere onye ọbụla na-eke n'orie n'afọ na nkwọ. Biko Ken Palace of Justice apụtago wee kwuo okwu wee na-akọwa wee na-asị na ya na Timtim lifestyle enweghị problem na onye na-enwere nsogbu mgbe ahụ bụ ijele, mana ya bụ ihe bụ na ịmago na ihe dị na soshal midia nye so mụ na-eme expect na Ken ka yọọ mgbaghalụ, mana Ken enweghị ihe okwu wee na-asị biko Ken kaba ahụ yọọ mgbaghalụ. Ikwu anyị na-ekwu ọ bụghị ihe a na okwu anyị na-ekwu onweghị ụlọ ọba. Ikwu gị ihe bụ na-ekwugo ya asa na-asị mmadụ you don't know how far okwu ịgwara mmadụ ya aga until na mgbe okwu ahụ apụ. Oyiziokwu na-ekwu n'okwu ahụ mgbe ị na-eyuzu your former Facebook aka maka ọ kwucha na ọ na-eyuzu former Facebook onwe Facebook ọ na-eyuzu mgbe mechaa mgbe Facebook close the account due to some policy violation. Ọ bịazi ebe na-ekwu na mgbe ahụ n'ọkwa na ijele chọrọ ya okwu wee sị ya na oke gị na ijele esetụlugo ya maazị na onwego okwu ikwu asa na-agwa mmadụ gị na mmadụ na-eme ihe unu esetụlugodu n'anya okirikiri ka ịma na o nwere onye imejọ in regard to that. Ya bụ okwu bụrụkwa n'okwu eji amụta ihe. So Ken ekwu n'okwu mgbe ahụ ọmahụ n'okwu okwu agago fanya nwatakịrị wee tụgharịa wee bụọ ya ọnụ. Kịta Ken apụtago na-explain his own part of the story. Gekene Ken ntịkwa unu n'ihe okwu
na si wahala as onye aka na-ekotere okwu ekotere. Have you people seen this video about Timtim lifestyle? The video she did about me and was laying all kinds of courses. Onye aka na-ekotakwara okwu ya na-ekotekwere the Timtim, I don't even have any issue with you. Even that particular page itself has been unpublished. Facebook has unpublished that page since last year. The page itself, those videos I did, those posts you are showing are no longer on Facebook. Those are unpublished. So I'm kind of you are letting courses like anyway. I don't even have any issue with you, and I'm not gonna have any issue. The person I had issue with then was Ijere. Ijere was insulting me and I was insulting Ijere too, and he came inside that picture when Ijere was posting everything about you, posting like romantic pictures of he and him. Then I have to use, I didn't even mention your name in that video. In the post I didn't even mention your name, only a picture that I posted and with you. And Ijere is my target, not even you, yeah. Ijere was my target because this is social media, man. You know, when two people are fighting and having issue, you use every weapon around there to hit the person back to win the war. So I don't even have any issue. So don't take it personal, my dear. I'm not saying it because of the courses you are doing, you're laid there. I'm no, but me too. The video touched me. The video really touched me. But I don't have any issue. The person I had issue with then was Jere, and I have settled with Jere. I don't even have anything in mind again. So I don't know where you got and be laying courses. No, it hasn't got into that now. If I die now, or if my children die, what if you again? You go there happy? Huh? If I die, or if all those things you are laying there and happen to me or my children and my generation, how will you feel? Are you going to be happy? Huh? Nah, we never remember like that. You have never got into that in a big call. Hello. Yes, no. I don't have any issue with you. And I made only that Facebook have look at it. Yeah, this is the page. Facebook have unpublished that page now. And the reason I posted that is because of Ijere. I was having issue with Ijere and he came inside the picture. Then I have to hit. Not only there was the other girl too. This thing happened is almost a year now. Me self, I don't forget this thing self. It's almost a year. I wonder why something happened last year that you are bringing it back to again. Or is it because of maybe then your page was not monetized? Now your page has been monetized. Then you want to use the video to earn views and money. I don't have any issue with that. But all those courses there is uncalled for now. Huh? It's uncalled for. Anyway, it's not you that had issue with there then. It's Ijere. So my followers and my people, you know, the video touched me too. But one day, I don't have issue with her. The person I had issue with then was Ijere, and that was the reason I made that video. So let's go, don't take it personal, okay? I don't have any issue with you. I don't have any issue. This is social media, and let me also tell you, this once you want to become a public figure or a content creator, be ready to accept whatever that comes on the way. That is it. So if you're not ready to accept whatever that will come out of there, you can't stand. This is social media like I am now. Do you know a lot of things people have said about me? Have you seen me come online laying courses on those people? No, this is social media. People must talk. Whether the good one or bad one, people must definitely talk. So all those courses you were laying there was unnecessary. Is unnecessary. Or it's not important. Okay. I don't know if you have advisor or manager. The person wouldn't have advised you to do all these things. You would have made a video say something. Anyway, let me tell you, I don't have any issue with you. And don't take it personal. The person I had issue with, like I said before, is DJ. And the page itself you're talking about, that video is not even longer on social media. I don't even know where you got that one from. So I don't know how whether you screenshot it and be waiting for your page to be monetized. Because that post is no longer on social media. You can't see it on social media. The page has been, Facebook have published that page for a very long time. So nothing like tarnishing your image or this or that. After all, you're not a virgin. You're gonna attack. You're gonna tell me, so don't take it personally, okay? Me self, that happen. No, Ijere self. If I still see Ijere Dubai tomorrow, I will still greet Ijere. We will still be together. He's my brother. I don't even have any personal issue with Ijere. Even if I come to Nigeria today, jam Ijere, that I had issue with, I will greet him one make Ijere. We go drink. No people, attack all. That's it. So don't take it personally. One love, my people. Share this video. Let it get to her.
Bunda mena egemente dị m n'aka na necha n'anya bụ vidio, biko nyela ya aka share vidio, nyela ya aka gbasapụ ya bụ ozi, drop your comment, like kwana the video, turn on your notification ka ị na-enweta notification mgbe ọbụla I post video for ka ọ dị ọnụ mgbe ọzọ.